everyone, welcome to Stellazone. If this is your first time here, I want to say thank you and welcome. Thank you for being part of the family. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that red subscribe button. It's free, and when you're done doing that, just hit the notification bell icon also, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first ones to get a notification. So let's dive in. I hope you are having a fabulous day. So today I'm going to be making a recipe that I've made before. I'm doing it a different way today, which is Ghana jollof rice. Okay, one thing, if you want to get a really tasty jollof rice, it comes down to one thing, and that's your stew. If you have a really good tasty stew, your jollof rice will come out tasting amazing. If you're a Ghanaian and you know you're not good at cooking jollof rice, this is going to make it very, very simple for you. All my Africans out there, if you want to get really tasty jollof rice. So what you can use is marinara sauce. You know, the tomato sauce, it's been cooked already, so you don't have to worry about the hustle and bustle of getting the tomato paste and cooking the stew and getting a perfect stew. This is a really good way for people who love jollof rice and want to learn how to cook it. This is an easy way. This is a quick, easy recipe. So I have 3.5 cups of rice here. I'm using Jasmine rice. I have this is different, but you can add it. I have Seafood Delight here. So what I have in here is Seafood Delight and also crab with a K, okay, imitation crab. So that's what I have. So if a seafood mix, that's literally what I have here, with a crab with a K. All right. So and next I have green bell peppers, okay, medium-sized green peppers chopped up, and then I have some vegetable mixed here, mixed vegetables, okay. And then in here, this is what I'm going to make myself. So forget about this. If you are not a seafood person, let's take this out. I just want to show you how to make that jollof easy and fast, like a quick way to make this jollof rice. So in here, so what I have in here is onion, basil, thyme, rosemary, and some chili pepper in here. I also have ginger and garlic in there as well. So let's start with this. This is going to be a really simple recipe. So I have my oil on the stove, okay, my oil is heated up, and don't worry about the oil because that's what I fried the seafood thing delight in. So I'm going to add this to the oil. Alright, so I'm going to let this sit on the stove and cook for about 10 minutes, okay. I'm going to let really like this cook and reduce, like I say, simmer down for about 10 minutes before I add my sauce. For this, I have the heat on medium-high, okay, medium to high heat. I have mine to about 7, and that's where you want to keep. One way or another way to speed up the process of making jollof rice is pre-soaking your rice in hot water. So I always get hot water. I'm going to soak this in hot water for about 20 minutes. So the sauce has been cooking for 10 minutes. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my marinara sauce, okay? And I'm using Rao's homemade all-purpose marinara sauce, and this is a 15.5 ounces, okay? 15.5 ounces. And just if you want to ask me, but how do I know this is ready for me to add my marinara sauce? Look over here. This is 10 and 9 cent brown. So that's when you know that it's ready. It's almost like making shito. That's when you know it's ready, okay? I'm going to add this. I'm going to let this also cook for anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. You don't need to cook this sauce for like a longer minute, like for 30, 20, no. Because the tomato sauce, the marinara sauce is already cooked, okay? So 5 to 7 minutes is perfect. So once I add my marinara sauce, I'll go in and I'll add my seasoning, okay? You can add any seasoning of your choice. I'm using Basil Complete seasoning with some paprika, as well as some cumin. So you can do that in shrimp bouillon. That's what I'm using. Cooking my sauce. Now I'm going, next thing is, remember the rice that was pre-soaked. So now the rice, I'm going to add that into the sauce, okay? So now what I'm going to be doing, this seems to be enough sauce because you want your rice to be soaked, you know, into the sauce. want to have enough sauce. Next, I'm going to add, I'm adding chicken broth, okay? I don't have vegetable broth, so I'm using what I have. So I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. And then at this point, mix it in, taste and see if you need salt. And then you can add a little bit of salt. And cover to let it cook. Make sure you are cooking on a medium to low heat, okay? I'm going to let it cook for 20 minutes. But make sure you are stirring, you're mixing it consistently. Okay? So what I did was I took some of the sauce or the stew and I spread it on top of the seafood mix, and I'm setting it on the side. And when the rice is almost done, I will just add this and the veggies in there to let it cook. So I'm sort of marinating on the side. Our jollof rice has been cooking for 30 minutes. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my seafood mix here and my vegetables, okay? And then let it cook again for another 10 minutes and it should be ready. But I don't know how I'm going to do this, because let me try and put this baby down, because he will not. He said, no, don't pull me down. Don't you dare pull me down. See what you're making mommy do?
He's learning to cook. Alright, now this is going to require 2 hands.
I added 1 cup of chicken broth, so that makes it 2 cups, okay? 2 cups. Our jollof rice is ready. So now this is not my African style. This is not Nigerian jollof. This is not Ghana jollof. This is Stellazone jollof rice, okay? So, Nathaniel, I got my seafood, I got my veggies, so and then you get a little bit of kick, you know. I did add some habanero pepper when I blended the onions, so you can taste the kick from that, the spiciness. So this is ready to eat. Try this recipe. I'm telling you, this is a quick and easy way to make jollof rice. Even if you're a beginner, if you love jollof rice and you don't know how to cook it and you always have your friends cook it, do this, surprise your friends, okay? And just don't tell them the secrets. Just make this jollof rice for your families and friends, and I'm sure they will love it. So I'm going to, don't ask me if I'm still on a keto diet, okay? My husband still has to eat. So let's, Nathaniel's like, take me up. You get the crab, the imitation crab, you know, you have the veggies, the other seafood. See, Nathaniel is telling y'all better like this video. It's like, my mom is not
like, share, subscribe, right, Nathaniel?
Nathaniel's like, y'all better subscribe. She's supposed to be spending this time with me and she's making a video, so there you go. Y'all better subscribe. So like this video, comment, share, subscribe. Hold on. Alright.
Start over.
Now you're in the video. So like the video, share, comment, subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, okay? Until I come your way again with another amazing Stellazone recipe. Remaining good. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful...
Bye.